Hello and welcome to the ThePhilipEffect. I was making another video initially, the one I just uploaded, and in the video I was explaining what this little, let me just call it a screw, does, and that some people buy buy these clippers and then they complain that it's too loud or it's not cutting well. I'll be showing you. I just decided let me just show you in practice how it actually works. Okay. So for example, I've connected it now. So this is how it sounds now. So now I want to turn it clockwise. So that was clockwise, and you see how loud it got. Okay, so if that is how you got yours, or something happened that you mistakenly did so, I don't know why it would be that way for you. That is too loud. Of course, you can't really cut your hair with such a loud sound. You will need to put a screwdriver, either the flat one like this, or the one with 4 edges. You will need to put it inside here, and then you turn it anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise will be this way. You would turn it this way. Okay, you'll turn it this way to reduce the sound. So let's do so. You see the difference? This is how it's supposed to sound. So that was just it. I just wanted to show you that in practice.